Welcome to your instructional video on how to turn your expander. Congratulations, by now you've had your expander appliance placed and glued into your mouth. What we're going to talk about today is how to turn it properly. You'll notice in your first appointment, we gave you a calendar and an expander turn key. This is important because we want you to keep track of how many turns you've done. So what you're going to do is take the key, insert the bent slot all the way so that it seats fully into the hole. Follow the arrows and push backwards towards the back of the throat until you see the next hole completely. What might happen is if you insert the key and turn it all the way, but undo part of the turn or don't turn it fully, you may not be able to see the entire next hole. And what will happen is at the next turn, you won't be able to get the key engaged. If that happens, don't worry. Bend the key to the angle where you can activate the previous hole, complete the turn, and then you'll be able to access the hole for the next turn. What this looks like in the mouth is we ask to place a finger behind so that in case the key slips, we don't damage any of the tissues. Place the key in the hole, push gently back towards the back of the throat, lightly wiggle the key out towards the back so that you can see the next hole. Another thing that's normal is after a few turns, a good sign of expansion is seeing a space in between your front teeth. This is completely normal and it means you're doing a great job. So keep it up. We'll see you at your next appointment.